Hi guys, today we're on Chapter 2, Lesson 1, Solving Two-Step Equations. So many real-world situations are modeled by equations with multiple steps. Suppose you adopt a puppy from an animal shelter and buy 3 bags of dog food. The adoption fee is $125 and you spend a total of $154.97. How much does each bag of dog food cost? So we've created this model that shows the total cost, the adoption fee, and then the number of bags. So the model at the left shows that you can use an equation, 125 plus 3b equals 154.97 to represent the problem. This equation requires 2 steps to solve. Use the order of operations in reverse to choose the operation to undo first. So if we are going to take this equation, we want to solve 125 plus 3b is going to equal 154.97. First thing we want to do is get rid of the 125. We want the 3b to be by itself. Whatever we do to this side, because it's a positive, so it's being added, we want to subtract it. We're going to also do to this side. Those get crossed out, so then we're left with 3b equals 29.97. So now we want b to be by itself. Right now 3 is being multiplied by b. Do the opposite. So we're going to divide by 3. Those cross out. That just equals 1. So b is going to equal 9.99. So each bag costs $9.99. You'll want to check yourself just to be sure. So 125 plus 3 times 9.99 is going to equal 154.97. And when you work that out, indeed, 154.97 does equal 154.97. So the next one we're going to do is we're going to solve 4g plus 11.6 equals negative 23.2. So first thing, we want to get rid of this term because we're trying to isolate g by itself. This is being added. We want to do the opposite. Whatever we do to this side, we have to do to this side. So that gets crossed out. We're going to have 4g equals, when we have a negative and we're taking a negative away, it's like adding them together. So we're going farther back on the negative. 34.8. We're going to divide by 4. 32, subtract 28, 8.7. So G equals 8.7. And sorry, that's a negative. Right here we forgot this is a negative, so it should have been a negative here. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. Suppose you buy a slice of pizza for $1.50. You also split the cost of renting a video with 2 friends. Your total cost is $2.75. So we're going to take the cost of the pizza plus the cost of the video. So we have $1.50. The cost of the video divided by 3, and we're adding them together, and it's going to equal $2.75. So we want to get rid of the $1.50 so that we're trying to isolate the V. We subtract $1.50 from this side. If we do it to that side, we have to do it to this side. So we're left with V over 3 equals $1.25. We want to get rid of the 3. Right now it is being divided. The opposite of dividing is multiplying. So V is going to equal $3.75. The video cost to rent was $3.75. Go ahead and try these next few on your own and then come back and check to see how you did. Okay, so if you got 4 minutes for the one dealing with the long distance call, you're correct. Number 1 should be x equals -1. Number 2 should be x equals -16. And after using estimation, no, 24.27 is not reasonable. P equals 10 is reasonable. Your homework for today is page 50 and 51, numbers 3 through 17 odd.